Okay, so sorry about yesterday's project. I actually was putting together and had some issues with Visual Studio, so I'm going to come back to that database project from yesterday soon. I just got to fix a couple things with it first. So um, today I thought I would just do something very simple again with Visual Studio, uh, just creating a Windows form with just some functionality. Like if you're a newbie like me, you're just trying to connect the dots on some simple things. Like, okay, how do I create this? And how do I give it just the most simplistic, fundamental functionality? So I came up with an idea of just doing like a simple kind of a word selector box, if you will. So let's see what we can do here. I was actually working a little bit earlier this morning on building a calculator, which kind of gave me the idea to do something simplistic like this. A calculator is pretty simplistic, but this will give more of a starting point for like code and things like that. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to File and New Project, and we want a Windows Forms app here in Visual C#. Let's call this Word Select 4. Okay, Word Selector. We'll call it that. And we just wait a moment here, and we should see our form pop up on the screen here. All right, and so again, we just want to do something that has some simple, very simple baseline uh, functionality, right? So let's just create a couple of buttons and an output area for the functionality. How about that? So let's go to our toolbox here, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add two buttons for now. Button 1, and we'll just do it like this. We'll put a button right here, and we'll just kind of make it a little more visible, and we'll make two of these. So we just copy and paste this bad boy here, and now we have our button set up. So let's go ahead and add a text box to actually have our information inputted to. So we'll try to make that about the same width and size. You can do multi-line to make it a little bit bigger. There we go. So now, so far, what we have here is just, again, a very basic, very simplistic Windows form, right? With a button 1, button 2, and a box here for our output. So now we have to pull the properties up here. So where you kind of want to start at is, let's just start with button 1, okay? What I like to do is, in this case, we'll give it we'll change the text on it. We'll do just red and blue buttons. How about that? This one will be red, so we'll just call this one red, and we'll also name it red. All right, and for button 2, again, we'll name this one blue. And there we go. We'll make the text say blue as well. Okay, and then the other thing you have to do next is you have to go up to the text window up here, and we have to give this a name. So when we write our code, we know what to enter in regards to the functionality here. So let's see here. Let's call this. Make sure I have name. It's going to give it. There we go. We have to go to the name area here. I always get a little lost. It will always default to labeling it text box 1. Let's just call this one text box red blue. Yes. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take this name right here, and you want to just copy this, just hang on to that there. And then you go over here to, let's start with the red button. And now the easiest way to do this, in my opinion, to get the code page up is just double click red. And there you go. It'll give you your, everything here in regards to all the different libraries. Let's see here. So what we're going to do is the first thing we'll do is we'll just take the name of our text box, which we just called text box red blue, and then we add a function called text, okay? And we're just going to say it equals text box red blue dot text again, and then we'll just do plus, and we'll just say red, okay? So again, we're just trying to show super basic functionality here. So if we click the button that says red, we should see red appear in the box there, hopefully. So let's give it a shot. Let's hit start here. Box pops up. Boom, there you go. And then you simply just do the same thing for blue. We can stop this here. I'll do that real quick here. Okay, we'll go to blue. All right, and then same thing here. Actually, you can actually just make it a little faster for yourself. You can copy this right here. And we'll do blue. Okay, and let's jump back over to our form here and try this again. So if we clicked red before, at red, now if we click blue, we got blue. And you do it back and forth, there you go. So again, that's just your simple basic functionality in the Windows application form. Thank you.